Students, next example is FeCN6 3 minus. Okay, so here Fe is the central metal ion, Cn is the ligand. Okay, so atomic number of Fe 26, electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 4s2 3d6. Okay, so outermost electronic configuration 3d6 4s2. Okay, so what is the charge of the Fe? So x Fe don't know, so therefore x plus Cn. How many Cn's are there? 6 Cn, 6 into, then Cn is the negative ligand, therefore charge is the -1 is equal to -3. -3 from the charge on the complex. Okay, 3 minus. So x is equal to -3 plus 6 equal to 3. Therefore, in this central metal atom, here Fe3 plus. What does mean that Fe3 plus? 3 plus means it lost its 3 electrons from the outermost shell. Okay, so now it was rearranged in 3d5 4s0. 2 electrons from the s orbital, then 1 electron from the d orbitals are escaped or removed. Okay, therefore final electronic configuration is 3d5 4s0. Okay, therefore 1 2 3 4 5. Next one is very important. Outer orbitals of metal ion in presence of ligands. Okay, so here Cn is the ligand, isn't it? So Cn is the negative ligand and also it's a strong ligand. Therefore, it's combine the single electrons. That's the unpaired electron to paired. Therefore, these 5 electrons now changed into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is the 3d5. So now every central metal ion or atom have the equal number of coordination number in Mg orbital. Therefore, how many number of ligands is there? 6. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Mg orbitals are there. Okay. So, remaining 6 places are available, Mg places. These places are occupied to ligands. Electrons, unpaired electrons present in the Cn is joined here. Okay. Okay. These electrons. This is the electron from Cn. So Cn gives one pair of electron to central metal ion. So one pair of electrons. So how many number of ligands are there? 6 number of ligands. Okay. This is the hybridization. Okay, so here this is the d orbital, s orbital and p orbital. So in hybridization involved in d orbital 2 Cn's, 2 orbitals are involved, therefore d2. Then in s orbital only 1 orbital is involved. Okay, in p orbital there is 1, 2, 3 orbitals are involved. So hybridization is d2 sp3. Then what about the geometry? Okay, geometry is total number of ligand is 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so no problem. This is the octahedral. Then magnetic property. So here only 1 electron, this unpaired electron is present. Therefore, n is equal to 1. Okay, therefore this is the paramagnetic Okay, then magnetic moment mu s is equal to root of n into n plus 2. This is the formula. Okay, therefore root of 1 into 1 plus 2. What about the value? Value is 1.732 bm. What is bm? Bm is the Bohr unit of magnetic moments. Okay students, thank you.